how I became a member of the Robot Army Corps. It was night when we got home. I felt cold walking to the door, what with no protection from the elements, 'cause I had no hair and my hat flew off on the highway when my dad rolled down the window. When I walked into the house and my little bro saw me in my military issue comfy tee, he laughed and laughed and laughed. I was too embarrassed to say anything back to him, even if I could talk. I tried to look proud like this was my idea. I could see he already had peach fuzz on his head. I started to go upstairs, but my dad said, "Son, don't you have something you want to say to your little brother?" I turned with attention and nodded. "Then say it," said my dad. I felt my voice box power up and I said, of not my own volition,
"I'm sorry for what I did to you, baby bro."
"Very good,"
said my dad.
"Now, go to bed."
I did an about face automatically and walked directly into my room. I took off my boots and uniform and got in bed. I wanted to cry, but I couldn't.
I hoped tomorrow would never come. Next thing I knew, my eyes got heavy and my system shut down. I wouldn't reactivate until the next morning.